Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to convert Zimbra emails into HTML file format and email service? If yes, download the 4 and 6 Zimbra Converter software designed with special forensic features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Install and run 4 and 6 Zimbra Converter. Tap on the Open button. Select Choose File or Choose Folder to browse Zimbra file from your system. We are choosing the Choose Folder option to browse Zimbra folder from system and then tap on Select Folder button. As you see now, all the emails from the mailbox are listed one by one in the software interface. Now, click the listed email folder. Now, click the email to view the message in the defined preview window. Users can preview the complete content of the email with all the details like subject, signature, and more. Now, go to Export tab and choose your required saving option for Zimbra email conversion. We are selecting HTML option. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save Zimbra email conversion result. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. The next is Skip Grayed Outlook folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your email account. Other is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. You can also check the file naming option to store email data after conversion like subject, subject plus date, custom naming, and others. Here we choose custom naming option for converted files. We enter my mails and click on Save button. After that a pop-up message coming here. We enter the display name and click on OK button. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of Zimbra conversion. You can also see the email count saved in the HTML files. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button and go to Open folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get Zimbra emails converted into HTML files for and